Today we're gonna make these adorable Kataifi nest cups. To get started on making our Kataifi nests, we have to first create our nests. So we have here a cupcake pan. This is 12 little cupcakes, and we have 776 Kataifi phyllo, which is just shredded phyllo. And you'll see how adorable these are. So I have 1 stick of melted butter. I've melted that already. And I'm just gonna make sure that I have the butter on the sides of the little tin all the way around, because you don't want these to stick. So it's important that you get enough butter in the bottom and the sides of our little cupcake here, cupcake tin. So I'm gonna do that there. So now that we have enough butter all over our pan, we're gonna get our Kataifi phyllo out. So I've used this package before. So if you ever use the package and then you need to seal it back up, you can stick it back in the fridge and reuse it when you need to. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out. Look at this shredded phyllo, so pretty. So we're gonna take this and I'm gonna take, I don't know how to tell you how much this is. It's like a very small pinch with a couple fingers. And I'm just gonna do it about this long. How long would you say? 6 inches? I'm gonna pull this off, rip it off, and I'm gonna take my 3 fingers and I'm gonna wrap this around the 3 fingers, just like that. And I'm gonna put it right in the little tin here to make a little nest. And I'm just gonna gently touch a little bit of the sides to cover the bottom of the little cupcake tin here that we have. But what we're making is a nest, right? So we just wanna make sure that there is a base on the bottom so that you can put your custard in the middle. Before we start baking these, I have to add some more butter on top so that they can get nice golden brown. So we're just gonna take the brush and drizzle butter all the way around each one of these, because the butter is gonna get nice and crispy when we bake these. So we're gonna put these in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 350. So while those are in the oven, we are gonna get started on our simple syrup on the stove. We're just gonna do a 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup water, a little bit of a lemon peel, and a cinnamon stick. We're gonna let that cook on the stove, and then we're gonna make our custard. So for our custard, we're gonna cheat a little bit, and we're gonna use instant vanilla pudding. But instead of following the instructions on the pudding, which says 2 cups of cold milk, I'm gonna use 2 cups of cold heavy cream. And then that way, it's gonna make it nice and fluffy so that we can pipe them inside our little adorable nests. We have our hand mixer. So we want this to be nice and thick, and you can see how thick this is. We're gonna transfer this right into a piping bag. And if you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Nikki.Gleckis. So we're gonna transfer our custard, or pudding, into our piping bag. And I'm gonna stick this in the fridge, wait for my nests to cook, and then we'll be right back to fill up our nests with this delicious vanilla pudding. So we've taken our Kataifi nests out of the oven and I let them cool. So when we do all these desserts, remember I always tell you either the phyllo needs to be cooled and the syrup needs to be hot, or vice versa, one hot, one cold. So we've let these completely cool, and we have our hot syrup here, simple syrup, and we're gonna do a tablespoon, pour over each one of the nests. So now we have 1 tablespoon in each one of these, and they're soaking that up. They soak it up pretty quickly, actually. So once they have that, soak that up. You can take these little nests out. We're gonna put them, transfer them right onto a platter. Look how adorable these are. These are great way for making a dessert, especially when you're entertaining, because they're bite-sized, they're easy for people to eat, and then that way people can just have a little bite of different desserts. They don't have to get full on one big item. Traditional Greek desserts usually have kataifi, which would be with nuts inside. And you can make those in these little nests. That would be super cute. But like I've said before on the show, my kids are allergic to nuts. So I'm trying to make some desserts without nuts in them. So we're gonna do these. We're gonna fill these with our vanilla custard, the vanilla pudding that we've made before, and we're gonna top them with various jams. So I have here 776, has all these delicious jams. Today I'm gonna be using an orange, fig, and strawberry. So we have our vanilla pudding here. I'm gonna cut a hole in our piping bag, and we're gonna pipe the cream in the center of our nest. Look how cute. This is adorable for Easter. So now I'm gonna take our different jams, and again, you could do anything you want here. I will put a link below where you guys can purchase these jams online. So here we have strawberry, and I'm gonna do 4 of them with the strawberry topping. Look how cute. Nice and colorful. And then next, I'll do 4 of them with fig jam. And the last one, I'm gonna use orange jam. This orange jam, you can actually see orange peels in there. Look how beautiful. This is going to be a big hit at your next party. For the full recipe, visit nikkiguekas.com, and for more entertaining tips and recipes, visit me on Instagram at nikkiguekas.